Hello friends, welcome to my blog on linear equation. In this blog, we are going to learn about verification in linear equation. So let's get started. See, first we will need to know that why this verification in linear equation is required. The sole purpose of verification is that we have to identify whether the solution that we found out, the value of variable in the linear equation is exactly correct or not. Like in this equation that we solved this linear equation in previous video. I hope you remember. Please check my previous video. I have solved this equation, this linear equation, and found out the value of x as 4. Okay. Now I have to check it that whether this 4 is actually the value of this x has its value as 4 or not. Okay, I have to check this, or to check this what I will do, I will put the value of 4 back into this equation and then solve these LHS and RHS parallelly and then find out if I'm getting the same answer both sides. Okay, if I'm getting LHS equals to RHS, then I'm assured that x has its value as 4. And if I'm not getting equal answers on both sides, same answer on both sides, same value on both sides, then this is also assured that my value of x is not correct. I have to check my operation in the linear equation again. Okay, so this is very good method to check your solution in the linear equation. So let's check into this particular linear equation procedure, that how we will find out whether the value of x is 4 or not. Simple. What we will do is, what in the equation we will put the value of x as 4 wherever x variable is present in this whole equation. In the place of x we will put value as 4. Okay, this is very simple. This is LHS part, this is LHS part, and this is RHS part, and we will solve LHS and RHS parallelly together. Okay, we will solve this parallelly together. Simple. So you can check this in place. With respect to x we have put the value of x as 4. जहाँ x की value है वहाँ instead of x we have put x की value को 4 place कर दिया है in each and every term. You can check here. 3 के पास x है, so in place of x we have put 4. In the right hand side of it, this equation, 6x, 6 into 4, 4x, 4 into 4 plus 2, and like this. Okay, so we have put the value of x here. Now next what we will do, we will solve it. We will simplify it further. Okay, 7 into 4 will be 28. 14, put it down as it is, minus sign. Then 17 minus 3 into 4, 12, put it down. 6 into 4, 24, minus 4 into 4, 16, plus 2, 3, minus 5, put it down as it is. Okay, now next step, what we will do, we will solve this 28 plus 14 simply, because see, 28 has positive sign, 14 has positive sign, both signs are same, so we will add 28 and 14 both. So we have added, and 28 plus 14 is 42, so we will note down like this. Okay, now check here. In this term we will see that 17 has 12 has negative sign and 17 has positive sign. So we will subtract 12 from 17, because see these two numbers have opposite signs. That's why this number will be subtracted from this number. Okay, so 17 minus 12 is 5. We have jotted down here. Now in this RHS part, what we will do, we will denominator value in two terms. 24 के पास कोई denominator नहीं है, 5 के पास कोई denominator नहीं है. So what we will do, we will bring denominator here as 3, and इफ इस टर्म में अगर 3 डिनोमिनेटर लाना है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई मल्टीप्लाई बोथ दिस न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3. सिमिलरली इफ वी हैव टू ब्रिंग डिनोमिनेटर 3 हियर, व्हाट वी विल डू, इस टर्म को इसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में ही 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो what we are doing here. Okay, this is the step that follows that. Now next what we will see, 42/3 we will jot down right as it is. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. Now 24 into 3 is 72. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 16 plus 2 is 18. Here we will add 16 with 2. We will get 18 here. 5 into 3 is 15. 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. Now in next step what we will see, 42 divided by 3 is 14. 14 minus 1 is 13 here. 72 divided by 3 is 24. Okay. 16 plus 2 is 18 here. We will add these two because 16 is positive. 16 is positive. We will not consider this sign here because this is not in bracket right now. Okay. 16 is positive and 2 is positive. So 16 plus 2 is 18. Just put it here. 15 by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay. Now next step, we will simplify more. 24 we got. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Here it is 6. 5. We will put it down as it is. In next step, we will simplify more. See, now this here, this part we will see 6 and 5 are negative in numbers. Okay, and 24 is positive. So first we will solve negative number according to the board mass. Okay, so 6 plus 5, see 6 and 5 have negative same numbers, so 6 and 5 we will add those numbers, these two numbers we will add together. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, now 24 is positive and 11 is negative. So if these two numbers have opposite signs, then we will subtract this number from this number. 11 को 24 से subtract किया जाएगा because दोनों numbers के signs opposite हैं, different हैं. ठीक है, so 24 minus 11 is 13. Okay, and with the help of this left hand side already we got 13 here. 14 minus 1 we solved, so we get 13. So the inference is, if you conclude this here, on left hand side we are getting 13, on right hand side we are getting 13. So if LHS is equals to RHS, so we conclude that value of x that we found out as 4 is correct because this value of x is satisfying this whole linear equation. Okay, we conclude that this value of x की जो ये value है 4, ये feasible है इस लीनियर इक्वेशन के लिए बिकॉज ये x की वैल्यू 4 इस लीनियर इक्वेशन में बैक पुट करने पर वी आर गेटिंग दैट this value is equals to this value, LHS is equals to RHS. That means this value of x is satisfying this whole linear equation. So we conclude that value of x4 is correct. So this is one example where we have found out how to do verification in linear equation. Like this we can do verification in every linear equation, because in linear equation we will find out value of variable, whatever value of variable we will find out. We have to check whether that variable value is correct or not. So this is the only method that we will verify about that linear equation. The solution we will, if we get LHS and RHS equal, that means the solution is correct. And if we don't get LHS and RHS equal, or there must be something that this value will not satisfy in that case, that means our answer which we got is wrong. We have to again go back to the solution of linear equation and we have to check where we had made mistakes. Okay, so this is for now, this is verification. In next video we will do more questions on linear equation. Till then, bye bye, thank you.